Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Look what we've got today. We've actually got the K&N air filter. It's finally arrived after about 6 weeks. So let's get it whacked in. And then there should be one there. This is a fairly simple job to do. Like K&N air filters, makes the car breathe better. That one, and there should be one down there somewhere. There's that one hidden down there. Managing to get it all out. There we go. Let's see what this is like. Trying to do these things at the same time. Oops. Coming out there. That's not too bad, that one. Right, that's an AC Delco one, made in the USA. And here's the new one. Let's just compare them. That's right. So I'm going to take this off. Right, let's get this new one whacked in, shall we? Package off. And we're going to slide that in there, just like that. You see, she's going in there nicely. Right, guys and girls, she's in there now. It's all nice and clean in there. There's the MAF sensor. I cleaned that not so long ago. Right, let's put it all back together. Right, we're just going to put this all back together now. It's literally a 2-minute job. Okay, just like that.